Know where you are working. It will be easier to use and easier to manage because Microsoft Windows 2000 Professional is more compatible and more powerful than any workstation you've used before. It's just easier now to get things done. Microsoft Windows 2000 Professional makes it easier to work with files, find information, personalize your computing environment, work on the web, and work remotely. New features in Windows 2000 Professional give you easier access to files you want to use. With My Network Places, you can quickly find other places on the network using Entire Network and Computers Near Me. Using the Add Networks Place wizard, you can create shortcuts and name them anything you wish, such as, "This is where useful HR information is stored." The new common dialog for saving or opening files has icons on the left for quick access to documents on your desktop or in My Documents. You can also use the History folder to locate files. The dialog now supports Auto-Suggest, which helps speed up opening and saving files. The History folder tracks your 10 most recently used files. Per file type, it displays them in context with the folders that contain them. With the Open With dialog, you can now pre-select a list of programs to use to open a file. You can also see a full list of programs with their traditional associated icons and choose one to open a file. With the Open With dialog, you can now pre-select a list of programs to use to open a file. You can also see a full list of programs. Now, from every Explorer window, you can search not only your hard drive, but also your network, and access internet-based search engines as well. Using Index Server, search results can be sorted according to their rank and relevance to your query, just as they are with popular web search engines. For instance, if you wanted to send a hard copy of a report from your desk in Denver to your boss who was visiting the Paris office of your company, you could use the Global Catalog to find a printer on the second floor east, 19 Rue Montmartre. In an instant, the printer in Paris would be humming, printing a fresh hard copy of your report. It's your computer. With Windows, now you can work the way that suits you. As you use your computer, Windows learns how you use it and will continuously customize it for you. Your Start menu will be less cluttered and more relevant because Windows tracks how you use your computer. So, if you frequently use Word and Excel, they will be easy to access. Other programs will be hidden beneath the double arrows, but when you use them, they'll appear on your list. With the Customize Toolbar dialog, you can add new buttons you want to keep handy, change the order in which they appear, or remove those you don't need. The new Windows lowers barriers to working on the web. It's significantly easier to set up and configure several different types of connections. With the Internet Connection Wizard, you can establish a new Internet account, transfer an existing account, or connect through a local area network. Windows 2000 Professional makes it easier to work just as productively, efficiently, and securely when you're working from a remote site as working in the home office. To get maximum life from your battery, you can configure the Power Options properties to automatically turn off the monitor after 10 minutes at idle. Connecting two infrared devices for sharing or printing files is as easy as adding any other new hardware. Windows 2000 Professional makes it easier to set up, easier to administer, and easier to support your workstation. As administrator of your workstation, you can now easily join a network domain with the Domain Setup Wizard. You can also set different levels of permissions for other people to access information on your computer. With Windows 2000 Professional, it's easy for you to manage resources and software programs, and easier for your network administrator, too. The new Microsoft Management Console, or MMC, provides one integrated view of all system tools. This means that all administrative tools, called snap-ins, can be stored and accessed from one location. With Windows 2000 Professional, you have less need for technical support because Windows makes it easier for you to resolve problems. Windows 2000 Professional is more compatible with different types of networks, with a wide array of legacy hardware and software, and offers better driver support. It also supports new generation hardware and multimedia technologies. You can experience broader network connectivity because Windows 2000 Professional supports connections to multiple server platforms on a client-server network and small peer-to-peer networks as well. Windows 2000 Professional provides broad support for hardware devices and software your enterprise is using currently. To help you use all your peripheral devices, Microsoft has increased the reliability and correctness of the drivers, as well as the sheer number of drivers Windows supports. Windows supports plug-and-play devices, power management, and high-speed connection services, so you can focus on your work rather than your computer. For an enhanced multimedia experience, Windows 2000 Professional Multimedia supports DirectX technology, DVD, and high-speed IEEE 1394 connections. Plus, it has capabilities for enhanced image color management and working with multiple monitors. Extend the working space of your desktop by using more than one monitor. You can even move items from one screen to another. Windows 2000 Professional provides industrial-strength reliability, the highest level of security, and powerful performance for all your computing needs. Windows 2000 Professional is the most reliable desktop operating system available. You will have fewer computer restarts and better program handling. Whether you are working for a very small business or a global enterprise, the new security features in Windows 2000 provide you with a secure file system, improved ways to share local resources, support for new authentication technologies, and a new tool for setting security. Windows 2000 is designed to give you a more responsive computing experience with faster performance, greater scalability, and more efficient storage.